Welcome to Kainat Kids! Wash, 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 come sing today. Cleanup time is fun to play. Step 1, get ready, soap and towel near. A little wash time song for every kid to hear. Step 2, pump the soap, rub your hands around. Bubbly little circles, giggles all around. Wash, rinse, dry, hooray. Clean and fresh for a brand new day. Left and right, top to toe. Splashy smiles wherever we go. Step 3, wash your arms, left arm, right arm too. Round and round with bubbles, nice and gentle do. Step 4, wash your tummy, slow and soft and neat. Swoosh away the bubbles, clean from head to feet. Wash, rinse, dry, hooray. Clean and fresh for a brand new day. Left and right, top to toe. Splashy smiles wherever we go. Step 5, wash your legs, one and then the other. Top to bottom, shiny clean, just like sister or brother. Step 6, rinse with water, count 1, 2, 3. Swish away the bubbles, fresh as fresh can be. Step 7, grab the towel, pat your arms and toes. Clap your tummy, pat your legs, wherever water goes. Soft and warm and cozy, nearly finished now. Give yourself a happy clap and take a little bow. Step 8, fresh and happy, ready for the day. Brush a smile and clap your hands, hip hip hooray. Cleanup time is true for, sing it once more with me. Wash, rinse, dry, so fresh and free. Wash, rinse, dry, hooray. Clean and fresh for a brand new day. Wash, rinse, dry, hooray. Wave goodbye and smile today. Splash and wash, we did our part. Clean and fresh with a happy heart. Wash, rinse, dry, so fresh and free. Come sing the cleanup song with me. Thanks for watching. See you next time. And subscribe this channel.